So over here you can see that I have this Jotboard, and if you want to go ahead and rename it, over here on the top you can see that this is what you have. You got the board right here. I can go ahead and name it whatever you want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say simple example right here. Example board. I can go ahead and type this in, click on save, and that particular board will be renamed just like this. Apart from that, let's say, for example, you want to delete out a board entirely. Then you can click on the three dot button, and then you can see that delete board is an option. Click on delete, and this particular board will be deleted right here. So you can see that it says the board has been deleted. So you can click to go home if you are sure that you want it deleted. But if you want to make a copy of the deleted file somehow, then you can simply go around and make a copy of it as well, so that the board is not deleted. But let me just go around on to go home right here, because I'm sure I want to delete it. Let's say I want to go ahead and then rename out a board from the home page itself. In that case, you can click on the three dot button and rename out your board from over here as well. So I'm just going to go around and say sample file right here. Go ahead and click on save, just like this. So this is what you can do. And if you want to go ahead and, let's say, for example, delete out the board, then you can go around over here onto the three dot button and then click on delete board right here and delete it out right here, just like this. And what happens is that the board will be deleted. So that is how you can go ahead and rename and delete out board inside of Jotboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.